Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel for another video. It's Nisha here. So today we are going to be doing the cleansing portion of my Ayurveda regimen. As I told you guys in previous videos, I am joining Nelly B's Ayurveda challenge for 2020. So if you'd like to join as well, head on over to her channel and let her know that you'll be joining the challenge. I will put the link to that video and to her channel in the description box below. So if you'd like to see how I plan to cleanse my hair using Ayurvedic powders, then definitely keep on watching. So to get started, this video is being sponsored by Henna Trinidad. That is where I get all of my Ayurveda powders from. Anything to do with henna, amla, any type of Ayurvedic powder you could possibly think of, they would have in stock. And they're really friendly. They let you know all of the instructions on the pack itself, so they take all the guesswork out of it for you. So Henna Trinidad gave me the Reetha Shikakai hair rinse to try to use as a shampoo. It could also be used as a conditioner as well, but I'm going to be using it more as a shampoo. So the ingredients are Shikakai, Reetha and Amla powders in this little 5-gram packet, and we're going to be taking this to make our natural Ayurvedic shampoo. So I'm going to be following the directions as listed on the pack. So basically it just says to empty this packet. Like I said, it is a 5-gram pack of the Shikakai and the Reetha and Amla powders mixed together. So I'm just going to put that into my stainless steel pot. And then going to be adding 4 cups of water. I already measured it out. You guys will see here, I already measured it out. So I'm just going to be adding 4 cups of water to my powders. And there we have it. Like, that's literally it. So now we're just going to have to leave this mixture soaking overnight. They said for like 7 to 8 hours overnight, so I'm gonna leave mine overnight. So according to the instructions on the packet, if you have dry hair, you could also use a bit of argan oil or almond oil. It just so happens that I have almond oil hair. I actually have some almond oil, so I'm just going to be adding that to our Shikakai mixture. So it says to add 1 teaspoon, so that's exactly what I'm going to do. Literally 1 teaspoon of almond oil, just adding that, and that's it. So now, as I said, I'm just gonna leave this for 7 to 8 hours or overnight as the instructions say, and I'll be back in the morning to show you guys what the next step is. So see you guys in the morning. Alright guys, so it's the next morning and my mixture has been sitting overnight, just to show you guys. And now the instructions basically say to put it on the stove, bring it to a boil, and then after it starts boiling, you want to leave it to simmer for 2 to 3 minutes. So I literally just put on my stove, if you guys could see that, and I'm going to let this boil, and I'll be back when it's finished boiling to show you guys the next step. So this is what happens when you put something on the stove and then you go and watch YouTube videos and you forgot you had something on the stove. It bubbled over, but at least now we know that it was brought to a boil. Alright, so after I took about 2 to 3 minutes to clean down the stove from that little disaster just now, our mixture is about ready to be turned off, and then we're gonna let it cool and then strain it and then get on to the demo portion of this particular video. So here I am a few hours later. The mixture has cooled. I've strained it and put it into my applicator bottle, and that really just helps me to get and focus the shampoo on my roots. And I'm just applying it all over my hair right now, and I am using the pads of my fingers to go in and really work the product into my hair. And now I'm just applying it all over the length of my hair. So you don't only want to focus the shampoo at your scalp. You want to make sure you get all of that product buildup onto it and different things of the length of your hair as well. So remember that whether using DIY or commercial shampoo. So now at this point, I'm really just enjoying the scalp massage I'm giving myself, trying to work the product into my scalp. But so far, I am thinking that I actually like how the shampoo feels on my hair, but we'll see. I'm just gonna go now and rinse the shampoo out of my hair, and I'll be back. So finished out of the shower, fresh out of the shower, you guys can see my hair is soaking wet, and you could see that it is definitely clean. You can see that it has a bit of a shine to it as well. I absolutely love this shampoo. Like, it wasn't stripping, it wasn't drying, it doesn't really have a smell, so you don't have to worry about that. But this shampoo really cleansed my hair. Like, you can see my scalp as well is clean. There isn't any product, there isn't anything left on it, and my hair was dirty before this, so it really did a great job in terms of actually cleansing my hair and my scalp. And to be honest, I didn't have really high expectations for this shampoo because it doesn't foam, it doesn't suds or do anything like that, but it really does the job in terms of getting your hair really clean. And I just scratched myself so you guys could see, and look under my nails, there is absolutely nothing. That's how clean the shampoo gets your hair. You really don't have to worry about anything being left back in your hair or your scalp using this shampoo. You would think that because it doesn't foam up or suds, it wouldn't do a great job, but it really got every single thing out, and it did it without leaving your hair dry or feeling stripped, which was the best part. I feel like because I exercise so frequently now that I am able to use this as a gentle shampoo a couple times a week, so that's perfect. So that's it, you guys. I just wanted to show you really quickly this DIY shampoo and what I think about it. So let me know if you've tried anything like it in the comment section down below. If you guys, again, like this type of content, then definitely give me a thumbs up. And sis or sir, if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, what are you doing with your life? Definitely hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you never miss future uploads. And I thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.